Hello my dear viewers, welcome once again to my channel Afra Kitchen. Hope you are doing well. So today in this video I would like to share with you Mumusu shopping vlog in Dubai Mall. Mumusu, they have lots of varieties of collection like stationery, kitchen appliances, storage products, makeups and much more. Do visit this shop. They have lots of store in worldwide. So before going in this channel, if you like my channel, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you can receive all my videos through the notification. Here you can find the stationery appliances. You can find lots of color pens, sketches, notes and much more. And here you can see school appliances, supplies like bags for girls and boys. You can see the color. They have amazing collection here. And this one is my favorite section, hand sanitizer. So you can see the cute pouches of hand sanitizer. Even you have in bottles. You can use this hand sanitizer, hang in your handbags wherever you go. This section is amazing. They have. And the next section is our children's section where you can find lots of toys here, both for girls and boys. You can even see the soft toys. They are amazing. You can keep this in your bedrooms or wherever you need it. And here is the storage section where you can find various colors and various size of storage boxes where you can assemble all your clothes and keep inside this box. And the makeup products you can easily keep in these baskets. Really, they are so amazing colors here. And the next section is the kitchen section where you can find lots of pans here. All the items of kitchen supplies can easily get here, especially the measuring cups here are so nice, and the mittens, silicone mittens and gloves. All you can get this on 30 dirhams. Section is the travel pouch where you can easily get here. You can keep all your travel essential things like paste, brush and etc. And here you can find lots of varieties of bags. They are so easy to handle, and it really you can get this in within 30 to 40 dirhams. Look at the tote bags. There's amazing collection here. Do visit this shop. And here the footwear section. You have lots of flip-flop, especially this lots of flip-flop here. You have in various sizes. And the makeup section. Sure, all the ladies would definitely visit this section. They have lots of varieties here. You can find the makeup sponges. Then you can find the nail polishes of different colors. Really have a visit of this shop. You would really love this shop. And trust me, no one would go empty hand. And here you can find lots of varieties of hand sanitizers, hand lotions, shampoos and essential oil. This is my favorite product. You can get easily at 10 dirhams. Especially the shampoo. It has really amazing flavor and really amazing smell. And here you can find the bath bombs in various sizes and shapes. This bath bombs we need to add in water. It gives really a good smell and lather. And here you can even find the essential oils, and especially the makeup tools here are so amazing. They have makeup sponges with the handles. And here is a facial mask section where you can find varieties of facial mask. You can get this within 3 to 5 dirhams. You can even find lots of lipsticks, CC cream, BB cream, eyeliners, mascaras at reasonable rate. And here you can find the soaps, various sizes. Here you can even find soap in the form of jelly. Here you can find lots of skin products for daily use. You can just use this. And especially the lip balm, they have lots of collection of lip balm in various flavors. Especially I love this sea buckthorn. This is an amazing lip balm. I have already used this. I love the smell of this lip balm and they are so friendly. You can carry this wherever you go. You can just keep in your pouch. And in this section you can find lots of skin products like cleanser. You can find the cleanser, toners and moisturizer. I especially love this aloe vera cleanser. Here you can find the toners, the bottle form. And here you can find the skin products. They have lots of toners, cleansers and moisturizing gel. And moisturizing gel you can find lots of collection here like cucumber, snail and aloe vera. I especially love this aloe vera gel. It really keeps your skin so soft and from hydrating. And next is the facial section where you can find lots of scrub, foot, hand masks and various scrub, and especially this bamboo charcoal mask. These are really fast moving products of Mumuso, and if you definitely come this shop, definitely buy these products. And here you can find lots of earrings, hair bands, accessories and lots of accessories here. Especially I love this cute teddy. See, you can find lots of cute varieties of earrings. Girls would really love it. Here you can find insulating bags where you can keep your hot and cold food inside this. And they have lots of collection of small purses here. And I would like to share with you some of the products which we buy from the Mumuso shop. These are the toys for my kids. They really love these toys. This is a remote control car. This is a portable truck with 6 cars inside this truck. My younger one, he really loved this, so he just bought this one. I just bought this apron. Especially I love this quality of the apron. These prints are so amazing. And I just bought my favorite lip balm, which I have already used. This it's so easy to handle, and so especially the smell, I really love it. These are helpful for the winters. I hope you enjoyed this video.